Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use autofill or smart compose feature on Gmail. First of all, open your Gmail and then we need to confirm that autofill or the smart compose is already turned on in our Gmail account. Click the gear icon here and then click see all setting. Scroll down a bit and see smart compose. And make sure the writing suggestion on is selected. That means your smart compose is on. And to use the smart compose, we can click the compose here, and in the body of the message or the body of the email we can type hello how. We just type hello how, and the smart compose suggested us to complete the sentence with are you question mark. So hello, how are you? So if we want to use that suggestion, we can just click tab. Then the text will be hello, how are you? And that's it. It's very simple to use the smart compose on Gmail. And yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.